Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of January, 2025, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.74. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.87%. This equates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a narrow and horizontal trend. Typically, this could indicate a favorable selling opportunity. However, if it breaks above the upper trend line at $611.21, it would signal a strong buying opportunity, suggesting a potential shift in trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 0.97% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 3.5% to positive 1.21%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 22.15% over the next year, with potential returns between 15.47% and 23.50%. This implies a price range of approximately $704.07 to $753 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for SPY. The SPY ETF price gained 1.06% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, rising from $603.36 to $609.73. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.11%, reaching a low of $603.20 and a high of $609.93. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $24.5 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence, which may indicate potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $610.78, while the lowest price was $493.57. Currently, the price stands at 0.17%, or $1.05, below the 52-week high of $610.78, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has recently pushed through its trading range, creating cautious optimism among investors. With bulls maintaining a stronghold above critical support levels, there's potential for a rally targeting the 6,400 to 6,500 range. However, mixed internal indicators suggest volatility ahead. Notably, West Pharmaceutical Services' steep decline of 33% illustrates the impact of disappointing guidance on investor sentiment, likely weighing on the S&P 500 in the short term. While overall market patterns indicate potential upside, recent inflation data has exacerbated concerns regarding Federal Reserve policy. A hotter-than-expected consumer price index could hinder hopes for interest rate cuts in 2025, signaling a more cautious approach from the Federal Open Market Committee. This backdrop adds volatility to the markets, influencing investor confidence and potentially stalling upward momentum in the short term. Longer-term projections hinge on whether current support levels hold and if inflation begins to stabilize, as persistent inflation could lead to tighter monetary policy, affecting stock valuations. For SPY, the ongoing volatility and economic indicators will shape market reactions, suggesting that while trading opportunities exist, the overarching market landscape remains uncertain. The following signals have been identified for SPY. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 0.1%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $604.93 and $597.61. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume declined during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price that could be an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $590.83, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund displays controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.72 between its high and low, which is a movement of 1.11%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 0.90%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $609.75. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a strategic point to contemplate for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $590.83. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $588.63, representing a decline of 3.46%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators suggest positive momentum, and we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 14th, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by $2.11, starting at a price of $607.62. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.